ESB API Manager serves as a centralized platform for API lifecycle management, offering a range of features and functionalities to streamline the development, deployment, and maintenance of APIs. Here's how it facilitates each stage of the API lifecycle. 1. API Design. ESB API Manager provides tools and resources to design APIs effectively. It allows you to define the API specifications, including endpoints, request/response structures, data formats, and supported protocols. With the help of features like API mocking or virtualization, you can create prototypes or simulate API behavior during the design phase. 2. API Development. ESB API Manager supports the development of APIs by providing a development environment or integrating with popular development tools. It may offer code generation capabilities, SDKs, or libraries for different programming languages to simplify API implementation. Additionally, it enables collaboration among developers, allowing them to work concurrently on different API components or versions. 3. API Testing. ESB API Manager facilitates comprehensive testing of APIs to ensure their functionality, performance, and compatibility. It may include features like automated testing, unit testing, integration testing, and load testing. By providing test environments and tools, it allows developers to validate the behavior of APIs under various scenarios and identify any issues or bugs. 4. API Deployment. ESB API Manager simplifies the deployment of APIs by providing deployment pipelines or integration with deployment tools. It allows you to define deployment configurations, such as target environments, security settings, and performance parameters. Through automated deployment processes, it ensures smooth and consistent deployment of APIs across different environments. 5. API Versioning and Lifecycle Management. ESB API Manager enables proper versioning and lifecycle management of APIs. It allows you to manage multiple versions of an API, ensuring backward compatibility and smooth transitions between versions. It provides features to handle version control, deprecation of older versions, and communication with API consumers about changes and updates. 6. API Security and Access Control. ESB API Manager includes robust security features to protect APIs and enforce access control. It allows you to define authentication mechanisms, such as API keys, OAuth, or JWT, to ensure that only authorized users or applications can access the APIs. It may also provide capabilities for implementing rate limiting, throttling, or IP whitelisting to prevent abuse or unauthorized usage. 7. API Monitoring and Analytics. ESB API Manager offers monitoring and analytics functionalities to track API performance, usage, and health. It collects metrics like response time, error rates, and usage patterns to provide insights into API performance and behavior. It may also generate reports or dashboards to visualize data and monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, related to API usage and adoption. 8. API Documentation and Developer Portal. ESB API Manager typically includes a developer portal where API documentation, guides, and interactive tools are hosted. It allows API consumers to discover, explore, and understand APIs effectively. Developers can access comprehensive documentation, code samples, and SDKs, making it easier for them to integrate and consume the APIs. By offering a centralized platform for API lifecycle management, ESB API Manager simplifies and streamlines the process of designing, developing, testing, deploying, and managing APIs. It promotes consistency, collaboration, and efficiency, enabling organizations to effectively leverage APIs in their digital transformation initiatives.